Man, that looks like a big hill. It's my first time riding on a gravel trail. Let's see how we go. Sliding around a little bit in reverse. That's weird. Ooh. Oh man, I don't like that. That's very odd. So here we go. First time off road. So this is fully stock. The bike is fully stock and I'm fully stock. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I probably should say don't do this at home, for professionals only. Didn't hit the snake, didn't hit the people, didn't get bit, haven't crashed. So I'm sweating like crazy, but I'm having a great time. This thing is just loving life in this environment. So that's interesting that we've split away from riding on the roads, and this thing can ride on the roads, the Surron Ultra Bee R. I've done a video comparing them as commuters, the KTM 390 Duke versus the Surron Ultra Bee R, so you can watch that if you want. I'll put that in the description. And I thought they were pretty close. I'd be happy riding either of them. You'll probably have a bike that was more suited to that, yeah, but just in a direct comparison, doing that gas versus electric between the two, I thought they were pretty similar. I'll link to maybe that gas versus electric playlist, links in the description as well, but once I've done the other videos I'll link them here. But yeah, subscribe if you don't want to miss any videos. If you're enjoying them and stuff, feel free to comment in the comment section, give me advice or tell me I'm no good or whatever. Right, there is also like a little gravelly track thing. Look at me, a law-abiding pedestrian. Now remember, look both ways. Okay, man, that looks like a big hill. Yeah, well, it's only one way to find out. Got traction control ASR on. Let's have a quick look. I've got to put the kickstand down. Let's check out the settings. So A3, pretty sure that's traction control on full. Turn the traction control ASR off. So, see how we go. Seated first time round, but this is my first time riding on a gravel trail, or gravel road I should say. Let's see how we go. Sliding around a little bit. Oh yeah, I mean this bike just eats it up. That did that like an absolute piece of cake. No worries whatsoever. It looked like a really long way and then just flew up here. Real easy to lock up that rear brake. Yeah. The front's got a bit more control, it doesn't feel like it wants to wash out, but the back is just, as soon as I pull the lever, it is just locking up, but that's okay. That's why I'm here, is to practice and learn. Okay, standing up this time. Yeah man, the bike feels happy. I'm the one holding the bike back, not the other way around. The new boots feel great. Got to be a bit more assertive and get my foot placement or my feet planted in the right place straight away, because the boots just lock in. So with the other boots, I kind of could slide them around a bit when I wanted to, which was a bad thing but also a good thing, because it meant I could slightly readjust my footing in a big way. But yeah, man, this bike is just, it's just eating this gravel right up. It just is. So it's great for me to it just wants to go. It really does. Like that's the back end just spitting out. Like if I just give it the tiniest amount, it just wants to completely go flying. So it's a weapon, absolute weapon. And this is totally stock, 100% stock. I've changed the mirrors, but I'd say that's a downgrade. Some people think they look stupid, and they definitely don't give as much of a view as the standard ones. But yeah. First time using reverse, that's weird. Ooh. Oh man, I don't like that. That's very odd. It is. Ooh. Yeah, it's got to click in. Yeah, kind of handy, but very weird. Never had reverse before. Okay, I mean, I just feel like I need to up the game already. I feel like maybe I can get some footage. I think you might have to go find something a little bit more challenging. Ride smart, ride safe. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one.